How to get rid of unwanted hair instantly. First ingredient is an egg. We will need an egg white. Please subscribe to my channel. Beat egg white for few seconds. Please press the like button. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Mix it well. One tablespoon cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Mix it well for 3 to 5 minutes. Check the consistency. How to use. Apply this mixture into layers. Apply first layer and wait for dry, then apply another layer. Apply opposite direction of your hair. When you apply a second time, don't dry fully, let it dry partially. How to remove. Remove with the help of fingertips. This also helps to remove blackheads. Thanks for watching.